Here's what no one tells you about tongue trills. They are way more effective with the low thyroid cartilage. Looking silly, am I not? Yes, it's okay to look silly sometimes with your vocal exercises. Now, tongue trills are really, really good to warm up, right? The really vibrates everything here and really makes everything loose. And vibration also means, the blood can flow more easily through your throat. So, in itself is really good. But when you practice your tongue trills with the low thyroid cartilage, instead of like this, low, right, was the same tones, just my thyroid cartilage was low. The low tongue trills really isolate the thyroid cartilage from the tongue. And that's going to be a massive change for your pronunciation and so many things for your range, for your vocal health. And with all these little motor skills that we can learn as singers, you want to focus on having the little muscle groups work independently of another. You don't want the thyroid cartilage to only be able to go down when your tongue pushes it down, right? Then you can do a lip trill, because then everything is down and the tongue can't go to the top of your mouth up there. You want the tongue and the thyroid cartilage to be independent one another. So you can go from to, see how my thyroid cartilage comes down? See, it's independent. The tongue can be up there at the roof of my mouth, and the thyroid cartilage can be independent of it. And that will give you flexibility of sound. And also it will improve a lot on your pronunciation, right? Because when you want to have a rounder, wider sound, but then your tongue needs to be down there, then your pronunciation is going to go to waste. So you want your pronunciation to be beautiful, however round or wide your voice is at the time. And therefore, tongue trills with, see how my thyroid cartilage goes down every time? It goes down all the time, because this is what really also will help you increase your range. The tongue trills with the thyroid cartilage down here is a very good way to increase your legitimate vocal range. Not falsetto, and I explain a lot in depth what I mean with falsetto in this video, but like real head voice. And head voice is so much better than falsetto, because it keeps you healthy, and you can go from very quiet to very loud to very quiet in head voice, which you can't really do in falsetto. However, in order to be able to have the tongue and the thyroid cartilage independent from one another, your yawning muscle must be very strong so that your swallowing muscle can be very loose and flexible. And how to do that and how to accomplish that, I talk about in depth and give you all the exercises in this playlist. So if this gives you something, please subscribe to my channel, give me a comment in the comment section, and like the video if you like the content, and I see you around. Want to learn how to do these things that I talk about in my videos? YouTube is great, but a course with an actual methodology is the thing that will give you real results. I have a course called Vocal Foundation on my website. I created a free tour where you can learn the what, why, who, how, and the content, the benefits, the finances, prerequisites, everything about the course. So if you're eager to get your voice to the next level, follow the first link in the description and sign up for my Vocal Foundation free tour.